Gerbera daisies are a bold favorite for florists everywhere, and Len Busch Roses is getting ready to harvest 1.6 million stems in 2023. These cheery florals are related to marigolds and sunflowers and are native to the southern part of the African continent. They were brought to England later and hybridized to create the big and bold varieties we know today, which are now grown worldwide. Now, Gerbera daisies come in all shapes and sizes and are incredibly versatile for any arrangement. Len Busch Roses grows many varieties, including standard, mini, piccolini, and pomponi. Standard gerbs make a great focal flower due to their large size and dazzling colors. Mini gerbs are great for accents, and piccolinis are perfect for delicate work like corsages or boutonnieres. And don't forget our pomponis, which are more voluminous with a higher petal count and can be used as substitutions for more fickle flowers like dahlias. We grow all our Gerbera daisies right here in our greenhouses in Plymouth, Minnesota. Growing them locally ensures quality and freshness. Our growers are hard at work ensuring that only the best quality blooms make it to the cooler to be sold.
We have a process to go through the greenhouse and remove any bad stems to ensure that they do not get harvested and processed to be sent to our customers.
So we've learned over the years that when we harvest gerbs at the proper stage, we can pass a lot more shelf life on to our customers and the consumer. So it's important that we don't harvest them too green, and it's important that we don't harvest them too open.
The biggest advantage that we have is that our Gerberas are fresher. They don't have to go through multiple days of shipping to get to us before we ship them out to you. We are able to harvest these, receive them, and put them on the truck the next day to get to our end user.
There's no substitute for quality, and we take care to ensure your Gerberas will be bursting with color and life for as long as possible.
One of our core values is quality, and we become very focused on quality. We apply that to everything we do, and in gerbs, it's represented by how our gerb arrives at our customer's place of business.
They are freshly harvested each day, go into our cooler and ready for customers on the next day. You can't get much fresher than that.
So pick up some Len Busch Gerbera daisies today and add a splash of color to your arrangements. Go to cart.lenbuschroses.com to order now, or if you're a new customer, contact us at lenbuschroses.com today.